Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1986 Toyota van, and this is from Hot Wheels, and this is from their J imports, Japanese imports. And this one is the last one as of now I'm having in this Q case, and I bought this for 149 rupees, which is the MRP, and this also I think I bought it in Hamleys. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So previously I think we did an unboxing on Dodge van, if I'm not wrong. So okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are it looks okay. See, because it has a lot of paint job issues, you can see the bubble here right away. The casting looks really good. It is not heavy actually. The size looks big, but it is not really heavy. The good thing is they actually added some kind of fiber for the headlights. Finally they did something nice in this casting. The tail lights are painted. So it has some good interior details. It is in red color. I hope you guys can able to see it. Good that they actually included the rear view mirrors. I don't think this is very strong. I know nowadays Hot Wheels, I don't feel it is really strong like the older ones. Strong or even heavy in that case. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls smooth and fast, but it does have some wheel wobble, especially on the rear wheel. Yeah, it does have some rear wheel wobble. Even the front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it's not that noticeable. But rear wheel is a little bit noticeable. So rest of the things are fine. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.